click on the video and see it pop up. Yeah, watch it as them for we. That's all. Yeah guys. Just watch it as them for CC and Nathan. What's up guys? I don't know, say it's a boy Nathan Jano, the son of kill me. Yeah people, we're there, I'm there, but we don't need a video for you guys, so you see the title already, so you know so what me I gonna do. I gonna show you what I go on, what take place for the house right now, as you can see it right there, so people, you see me? So guys, that's really the reason why we not really post too often, you see me, because we're not in our own place yet, you see me, I want to comfortable. I know, so yo, boom, our own place we have, you see me? We don't want to start nothing and then we have to go stop or we have to go raid or tea, you see me people, so just bear in mind with this, so yo, that a go on and thing soon start wrap it up back the place, you see me? You see me guys, we are trying to post a bit more often right now because we can't really do it. Feel like me go mad out if me not post no video, you see me? God no. So guys, basically what me I go just me I go up on the house top on this video while going up there. Me couldn't see say yo it won't cast and thing when it done cast. Me could just same time, same speed, no itching. You see me? Want fix it up same time. Paint it up pretty up in our room and thing, you see me? Make people say yo, yeah, we can do it too. You see me? So just want to say yo, thanks to everybody who supported. All our supporters, them really appreciate really love put me right here, so you see me? I want to say thanks to King and Shay, cause boy, me I tell you, I don't know what would happen without them. And they make everything possible, you see me? I want to give a big thanks to King and Shay and Mr. Nice, you see me? I just want everybody down there to big up themselves. I know say yo, CC and Nathan love on the same way. You see me? Just want everybody big up themselves for have a long life, you see me guys, cause I be a good people they down there. Be a good people, you see me? So people, what me I gotta do is me I gotta just boom, come round, I'm gonna walk up on the house, you see me guys? They couldn't see walk one on the house top. Yeah people, so remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. So yeah guys, me not even turn off the camera. People, look here, I'm gonna take the leather. This is my way of going on house stop. You can't bother with no leather right now, people. So yeah guys, you can see me there on the house stop. I don't know more thing. Me have to know me have step 2 because if we drop off I don't know more sitting. You see me people? So yes guys, we finally reached on top of it now. So people, I want to check out what I go on. See me? Yeah people. So let's see how this is going. Yeah guys, I want to watch it at them. Only thing me ask now guys, click on the video and see it pop up. Yeah, watch it as them for we. That's all. Yeah guys. Just watch it as them for CC and Nathan so we can do they do. You know already people by the end of next year, the start, you know, next year, January. Hopefully January is my birthday, guys. Quick me and CC birthday, they're close. You see me? So by January if we start with we are moving, fix up, furnish out and thing. You see me, I look for start a life and now. Cause from this we go move on and you know say I will add pan it and we go add and we go up. Yeah guys, cause we not squander with things like some people. You see me? So people, I just want to say thanks again to King and Shay guys. You see me? Hard work. You see, them do a empty house tour yesterday. Oh my god. Mansion. So yeah guys, I not tell a lie still. I miss them down there and down there. I not tell a lie. But you know say more while a man have to do, a man have to do. You see me? We never did go down there if you stay forever, you see me? We just go. And them car we say if King say man build up we think away and then him just set way off and know say yo start life youth and you and your woman and you and her go through the thing. So yo, you see me, some people feel like say yo I just better roads and lucky and we nothing we alright and everything. You see me, it never nice people. You feel like say it nice. Right now, me never see it. Right now, me see a clear way out. For me, sorry about the light, guys. You see me? Right now, me see a clear way out for me and my girlfriend. Me and my woman. You see me, guys? Clear way. So, true supporter, I see off Stacey and Nathan. I just want to tell you thanks again. Love you no bad. You see me? Don't stop watching ads for CC and Nathan. Please, me I beg you, don't stop watching ads them because we have whole heap of loads and tons of entertainment for you guys coming up just through, you see me? See what I go on the people? Look what I go on. Go straight down this, I go cast off, you see me guys? So in all of this, so the cast, you know, say, me I link up to a bad bro them already and thing. You know it go already people, so you know, so we just gang out the thing and brrrr. From them don't get me, then don't get me, is it? You see me people and done this fast. So remember if you give that video a thumbs up. Like up the video, you see me? Share it. Share out the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Please, me I beg you guys, turn on the post notification bell. Turn on the post notification bell. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. You see me? Me I beg you, please subscribe to the channel. Help us grow, guys. We want to reach 20,000. We didn't want to reach 20,000 before December finish, but it seems like say it's possible same way, you know. It's always possible. Nothing is impossible, you see me? Guys, I could try to reach as close as possible to it before December. So please, me I beg you, if you are a real fan to CC and Nathan, share our video for you. Me I beg you. Alright guys, I'm up on the house that me I go go and look up sneak peek at CC, you see me? Kanisha, come here. I'm not even see you here. Come say hi. Come tell the people then good morning.
Hey guys, what's up everybody? When I look at you,
Yeah, well, you don't know, you know. You just wake up.
just me. Everybody good?
Everybody alright.